Hey guys, my name's Jenny. I'm here with my furry friend Seven, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to take stains off from these furry friends. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be working on the back seats just because this is where most of the furry friends usually hang out. Most of the stains contain, mud, drool, slobber, like anything like a dog can create. So before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and remove any fur and loose dirt that might be lingering on in the seats and on the carpet just so it doesn't get in the way of when the process of wiping it down. So let me just go get the vacuum and I'll be right back. So I just plugged in my vacuum. Now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum. As you can tell, there's a lot of fur, crumbs, sand. So I'm just going to get rid of that so we can start with a fresh surface. All right, now that we went ahead and vacuumed it, I'm going to go ahead and grab my products. For today, I'm going to be using Fabric Clean, the Nifty Brush, and a microfiber towel. Fabric Clean is going to help dissolve and get rid of all of the stains. And also it has citrus scent, so it's going to deodorize any of the odor that's still lingering on the seats. So before we get started, I'm going to put on some gloves. Just to be safe, we don't know exactly what are on these seats, but they're stains, so we're going to try to get rid of them. We're going to go ahead and spray the seat. I like spraying the brush just for some extra enhancement, just because it looks like it is going to be a tough spot. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe in upwards and downwards motions, just trying to really get in there and distribute the product throughout the seat. Side to side as well. Now this brush is really stiff, so it's going to help you get into all the cracks and crevices and just the fabric itself and distribute that product evenly. More. All right, so I'm gonna grab my microfiber towel and just give it a quick wipe down, just to see if any of that stains and dirt lifts up, instead of just like scrubbing them around. And it looks like it did. So we're just gonna keep doing the same thing until we get the surface that we desire. Ugh. That's gross. What is that? All right, so it looks like these stains might be a little bit more like heavier duty. So what I'm gonna do is wrap the brush in the microfiber towel, just so it picks up instead of just like rubbing it around with the brush. Pretty good. One thing that you also might be noticing is that the fabric is getting darker each time, so it's getting wet. You guys won't be able to see the full results until it dries, just because the fabric does look wet, but we'll keep doing the same thing. right, guys, I did the best I could with the stains. We were noticing some marks that weren't lifting, so this is a perfect example of why you guys need to be maintaining your stains and not letting them sit in your car, especially when your car is sitting out in the sun or just not getting a lot of attention here in the back. You kind of forget about the stains that you have. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the rest of the car, you know, show some love to the seat belts and the rest of the seats, and we'll get right to it. I'm gonna go ahead and, obviously this microfiber is super wet and super dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a new one and kind of dry it off because we did spread out the product a lot, and we'll just dry off and take out anything else that might be lingering. Alright guys, and just like that, you're able to take off your stains from your furry friends. So make sure to leave a like, comment, and make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you here next time.